Hey Glam Dolls, I'll be sharing with you how I take me time, which is essential for your health without breaking bank doing so. I start with a fragrance for aromatherapy to help me stay productive throughout the day. Then I'll wear minimal accessories so I don't feel weighed down. Balancing the demands of providing content while managing my career and family can get time consuming. Speaking of time, the watch that you're seeing is by Jord. Jord creates handcrafted wood timepieces using raw materials. They also believe moments are bigger than minutes and your watch should tell more than time. Hence, taking me time and without breaking bank doing so. So I'll be stopping by the bank first to set my budget for the day by taking out lunch money so I don't use my cards. And then I'll head over to the mall just to catch a quick bite to eat or sit quietly alone and read my magazine. And once I'm done reading my magazines, I'll head on into Sephora, make sure I check out their beauty and fragrance section, and request quite a bit of free samples so I can take home and give them a try. Once I finish doing that, then I'll continue browsing the mall by doing a little bit of window shopping, looking for inspiration on the new fashion releases that I'm seeing. Visiting the mall don't mean you have to spend money. Time at the mall can be very therapeutic. Speaking of time, it's time that I let you know about the giveaway that is happening right now on this channel. The giveaway will feature one lucky glam doll to win a very own exclusive Jord watch, which is what I'm wearing right here. This watch is part of the giveaway, and to make sure you follow all the rules, please check down in the description box below. That will link you to the instructions on how to enter this giveaway so you can get your time together too. Once again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure we stay socially connected, so please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on the budget finds. I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and good luck to everyone who enters. Please follow the instructions on how to enter this giveaway listed in the description box of this video. The winner will be selected by Jord Watches and contacted by Jord Watches with instructions on how to redeem the prize. MzGlamourAddict do not have influence on who will win or how the selection for the winner was made. Questions, comments, or concerns about this giveaway or your entry can be answered by visiting JordWatches.com website. Thanks again for participating, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.